Hey, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get free traffic from social media by optimizing your social profiles. And I'm going to have three concepts for you that will show you all the big picture. And after watching this video, you'll understand how to get free traffic, free constant organic traffic to your sales funnels, to your products, to your websites, or wherever. It might be physical products, digital products, affiliate offers, or digital books, whatever. So I'll show you the concepts. Now, my name is Bob. I actively sell on Amazon, and I have this YouTube channel mainly for Amazon FBA sellers where I show you how to sell on Amazon and all the process. Over 118 videos now, I think. So enjoy. Welcome to subscribe as well if you're in this niche. Let's start. So the first kind of principle from the three that will help you get the free traffic to through your social profile to your offers is optimize. So you gotta optimize the profile. Let me explain you what that means. So for example, you have your Facebook personal profile, right? Now most people use it as engagement and they're consumers of social media, which is pretty cool. But you can be on the other side, the one that supplies the consumers with the product or with something that they consume essentially, right? So what does optimize mean? You have your Facebook page, right? And people sometimes get on your page through friend request, through suggestion, through different groups where you are active in. And through your profile, they can get further. Why? Because on your profile, you can place different links. Okay, you can place cover photo, you can place your main picture, you can place additional pictures that will guide people not simply to your social life but to your offers. So let me give you a little example for Facebook specifically, but you can take it to any niche, to any kind of social network that you're working with. On Facebook you have the cover photo, right, where on the cover photo usually people place like some landscapes or some cool stuff. But what if I told you that on your cover photo you can actually explain who you are, what you are about, and what you offer? And maybe once on this cover photo you can also say something like, click here to get more details. Now once people are going to click on the cover photo, they're going to have the link, which will again lead to your website or to some affiliate offer that you have. And this kind of creates, again, free organic traffic, because if you're active in different groups that are in your niche, say you're an Amazon FBA and you're a coach in the Amazon FBA industry, then through your profile, by being engaged in these groups, you have people clicking on your profile. And once they click on your profile, instead of seeing like beautiful landscapes, which is still nice, they will see an actual offer. And they have different pains and desires, and your offer, of course, laser focused on a specific niche, will solve this. And by optimizing the profile, they will get into your funnels, or maybe another example, into your Facebook group. So for example, instead of driving people away from the platform on Facebook, which Facebook does not really like, you will actually put them inside another place in your, so to say, in the same social that you're in. Again, let's take Facebook for an example. And the person gets into your profile and you redirect them to your Facebook group. So say you have on your cover photo, you say we have a Facebook group for Amazon FBA sellers, click here to join it, right? Then you're gonna have the link to your group. And once they join the group, for example, you can ask for their email. So you're furthermore increasing all the value like that you're given, obviously, but also the stuff that you're receiving from the people. On the left of your profile, also on Facebook, you can add like 9 different pictures. So if you add one picture that again is leading them to your Facebook group or any other offer, that's also a great thing. And essentially, you need to be also active in different places in order to get suggested to people, in order for people to click on your profile. For this, we will identify the right groups that we need to hang out in. So if you are an Amazon FBA coach or a YouTuber coach, or you're just selling physical products, right, you will still go to the relevant groups, right? Say you're selling fishing poles, a physical product, right, and you have a shop for that. So you will go to different Facebook groups, you will join them, you'll start being active there, right? Because you are an expert in your niche, you know, you have your product, you know more about it, and you know that people need it or need information about it. So what you do is you're going to be active there, people are going to click on your profile and get inside your funnel. So that's pretty much optimized, and you can optimize for any network. So if you have a LinkedIn profile, if you have a Twitter profile, always think like, okay, people land on my page, and where are they heading? Like, where can I automatically take them so I'll kind of have like free organic traffic, right? And maybe you're wondering what the book here is on the background. That's video number 2 in the Traffic Secrets kind of review and reading series, where I kind of read this book, right? And I share different concepts, but not only from here, like concepts I know myself. This book will help you get more traffic, all right? As you can see here, Traffic Secrets by Russell Brunson. I've read many books by this author. There are 2 actually other ones, and many ebooks and stuff. And I gotta tell you that this book so far is pretty good. The last video I was on page 27. Now I'm on page 104. I'm not sure you can see that. So it's definitely recommended. Down in the description of this video, I'm gonna have a link to this book where you can check it out and see what it's all about. Actually, it is free and you only have to cover the shipping. So that's the offer by Russell. On top of that, I will add an offer from myself. So if you will decide to get the book through my link, which again is in the description, I'll give you 3 bonuses. Pretty much the same that I've offered in the last video, and these are 3 ebooks that I create for you. They're going to be free. If you decide to join, just send me the receipt to my email, which will appear on the screen and so in the description. I'll send you bonuses, 3 ebooks, and one is called the Review Harvester's Booklet. There are 15 secret ways of getting reviews to our products on Amazon. The second one is called Convert Them, where you can essentially improve your conversion on Amazon by placing like story themed pictures on your listing. And number 3 is like a little cheat sheet that I create for you where you have like different resources for Amazon FBA all in one place that will just ease your life, save you kind of time, and that's you getting for free if you decide to use it through my link. So pretty nice book so far. I haven't finished reading it, but I do recommend you checking it out. So that was concept number 1. Concept number 2 will be engage, which I kind of talked about in the previous part where I talked about optimize. Engage means you have to be engaged in these groups, right? That will be, or engaged on the social media, because this will, again, suggest you to other people because it will show that the profile is active. And if you do not drive the people outside the platform, then you can actually get recommended more. So say if you're not driving people from Facebook to your YouTube, which I sometimes do, which is not that good, but rather if you drive them from Facebook to your Facebook group, to your Facebook page, from your Facebook page to your Facebook profile, right? You have like a net of connected parts on the same social. Then by being engaged, right, people will get inside your funnels on the same social platform and continue being engaged with you. They will get to know you more. And once they get to know you more, once you offer them something, you have much higher chances of getting a sale. So number 2, engage. That means being engaged in laser focused groups, in niche groups that you are in. For example, if you're in the niche again of Amazon FBA, you're selling fishing poles, you gotta get inside different fishermen groups that are connected to your specific pole, and you will just start engaging. You will start helping people, you'll start answering questions, and again, by looking at you, they're gonna be familiar with you, and they'll click on your profile. I gotta tell you that you're gonna be active for a really long time. So if you wanna create like strong social presence that will get you sales, you gotta stay there for a long time. So I mean, you can kind of post strategically, so maybe once per day, once per week, it depends on you. But again, by engaging, you will get the traffic from the places that are connected to your offer, where people hang out, and it's free traffic. Like they're hanging out there already. You just need to identify the people, right? You know your product, right? You know you're selling, so go and hang out in these places and get traffic from it by hanging out, being engaged with them, help them, and it grants you lots of free sales. And then profit. Number 3 is profit. So how do you profit? Well, you kind of create the funnels in a way that eventually, from optimizing, engaging, and all this, it will lead to profits. It will lead to people to your product, to your sales page, eventually, right? Through all the funnels. So say let me show you an example. You see a discussion in a group and you have a really good point to add. You add your point, you tell people like, what's your own point on this? Hopefully it helps people. They will click on your profile or they'll ask you questions, and from this, they will go to your profile page, right? They're gonna see, oh, here's a group for fishermen, right? Say we're in a discussion of fishermen. Here's a group for fishermen. They join your group, so you kind of steal traffic as well. And they go to your group, they might ask you to join, and they give you their email, where you can continue nurturing them through email. Once they join your group, maybe in your group description, you will have your website, you will have your different affiliate links, different social links to other places, maybe a link to your website, maybe straight away a link to your product, right? The more we engage with them before we give an offer, the trust gets higher and the chance of selling is higher, therefore, because if you straight away try selling something to cold traffic, that might work if your offer is good, but better, like engage. It's like you're on a date with a girl or something. You can kind of, get it quickly, but then usually it's like stages. So it's pretty much the same. But your funnel needs to be built in a way that there is a sale eventually. They can somehow, through all this, land on your offer page. Again, it can be, let me give you an example. So there's a friend of mine, and he has a pretty good YouTube video. Like, he doesn't do much of YouTube, but he has a specific video that's like a how-to video for his product, where he gets constant traffic connected to the product. So what we did, he asked me like what can we do? Well, how can we optimize this video? So I'm like, let's place affiliate links to Amazon, right? Because his product is no longer there, kind of thing. So what I'm saying is, like, he has the video, but his product is no longer there. He doesn't sell this product anymore. But that's like a good how-to video. So we place affiliate links of other products that are connected to this product, and guess what? This video is giving, like, it's not much, yes, it's giving like equivalent to like $3 a day in profits, which is not much, but it's working on autopilot from the one video. Imagine you had 10 videos that were working like this, and so essentially that's that's a bit different. That's, again, kind of social, but that's more search optimized traffic. And I was speaking about this in the previous video of the series. I'm gonna have it in the description. Remember, this is video number 2. But essentially, we placed the affiliate links in such a way that people were searching for specific how-to guide, right, for a specific product, right? In the video, they had the answer to their question, but in the description and the top comment of the video, we added some affiliate links, right? We told them, like, hey, we have different products connected to this product, therefore go there. So once they click, they buy, and we profit. So that's essentially how you optimize it. You gotta optimize always for people get inside the funnel, go a bit through your different parts of the funnel, and get to the offer page, and then you sell them. So these are like 3 concepts. Now, up in the video here, you're gonna have the 3rd video in this series, and here you're gonna have the playlist that are all about traffic secrets. So again, we have all the links in the description for this book and all the other stuff. See you in the next video.